First action, a rolling action, rolling, banana, rolling, banana, banana, rolling, infinity, banana, banana, rolling, and swimming.
Natural turn in waltz. In natural turn in waltz, we have CBM, which is rotation, and then we have swing, of course. And then in order to balance the swing, I should creating sway in order to balance the swing. And usually is these two action we will dance separately, because I don't know why, because they think that we have to be very precise to show the mechanic of the movement, which is, I agree. But I would like to create a more artistic interpretation, and I creating more different effect. I believe more beauty. I believe that is become more in harmony with the music. And I will start to creating rotation and sway in the same time. So, for example, if I going to have my preparation step of natural turn, I have my rotation, then I have a little bit also wind up a little bit the sway. And once I wind up the sway, also the lady has a little bit shoulder pressure to the right side. So it's something like that. I have to imagine that my swing action for sure is a movement that is going down to the floor and up to the floor. And once I'm going down and up, during this kind of action, I also have a rotation and I have to balance with a sway. But I should think also about the action that is coming into my left side. So not just rotation without using my left side sway. In order to be complete, I prefer that during the natural turn, we should try to creating also a little bit left side sway in order to make it a little bit more the swing full. And then now we go into the right side sway and we develop also the rotation to the left in order to have another preparation for the next figure. So is in this situation, I can find my rotation and my sway much more in harmony. And this is, I just analyze.
The rolling action mainly we use in the downswing, a upswing action that would be a banana. So banana action we use mainly on the side steps and when we swing up to finish the pendulum action. We have a wind up, and then for sure I have to tell one thing, all the rolling action and everything you can do only when you feel one unit, back and your arms. So that would be a natural rolling action, and that would be a reverse rolling action, okay? So the most popular thing that has changed is that before, on the driving action, on the downswing, CBM used to be done very early. So that action wouldn't be so clear and obvious. So this roll was a little bit small and fast, and then we do the step. So I would like to say, most important thing, no matter how much you do this action, the idea is at the end of the drive step or the downswing to be completely balanced on the new standing leg. So just to make sure that you don't get lost, and because many times the couples are doing big mistake. So they say they're doing the rolling action, but they don't arrive on the leg, and then would be broken sided. So that is incorrect. So no matter which body action you use, your base and your stable basic principles have to remain the same. Now, on the upswing, as you already seen, we have a pendulum action. That normal principle, if we sway to the left, center has to turn to the right. The center is turning to the right, swaying to the left. If I close the foot, we create a banana line. Okay? Can be banana to the left or banana to the right. So those two actions are done, you already seen it, on the upswing. Can we do a natural turn, slow motion? So first we will try to do a lot of rolling action. Now, if you see, Mirko is swaying to the right, center is turning to the left, I'm swaying to the left, my center to the right. I can do more, I can do less. As a couple, we will be balanced. First action that I explain, rolling action. Infinity. Slow motion. Okay, thank you. Follow away, bounce, follow away, classical way, and then bounce, follow away with the roll. First step. Good. And with the roll. And again.
Yeah.
Progressive chassis to the right, no rolling, and with the right. And again, straight, and the rolling. First action, a rolling action, rolling banana. Rolling banana. Banana. Rolling. Infinity. Banana. banana, rolling and swimming.